Things are about to get underway here in round one. Great anticipation allows him to get out of the way of that shot. Big shot lands. He must have forgotten that you're supposed to protect yourself at all times. Sandman with a good feint that leads to a hard shot. His left hook looks to crush his opponent. He covered his head well with that shot. Solid punching by Sandman. There's some visible swelling around his right eye. He lands a solid power punch. Lures him off guard and lands a solid shot. Sandman's hurt. He's holding on valiantly, but one more big punch could be the end. He's in a lot of trouble now. He's been knocked down by that big hook. He's not done. Look on the replay as he kept punching during that knockdown.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
There's the bell, signaling the end of the round. Bam Bam.
I need you to bring down the swelling. Brilliant round, son. Great work out there. Yes, he tends to be very fast in the ring, but you should know how to deal with that from your training. Move to the inside. Listen, son, we did not win that last round. You possess much more punching power than your opponent. Try to get him to trade punches.
Let's get going with round number 2. Boom, and there's a digging haymaker to the head that displaces his balance. Suckers him in and lands one. He blocked that shot nicely. Sandman's in a lot of pain from that piercing haymaker to the body. Protected his head well. Sandman's absorbed a big left-handed haymaker by his opponent. Fearsome 3-shot combo from Bam Bam. He pushes that punch away. Sandman's fallen back after that murderous hook ripped in. Drops him. He's hurt. The punch put him on the ground for yet another time. It's obvious from the replay, he wasn't finished. He just kept hitting him on the way down.
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That'll do it for now. Time to head to their corners. Bam Bam couldn't have done much better that go-round. The tape doesn't lie. He was simply dominated that round.
Don't miss the swelling on the... Well done. That round was yours from the start. Continue landing those right hands to the left side of his face. Not only are you ahead, but it keeps... Shake it off, son. Shake it off. I need you to look forward to the next round. We have 2 problems, son. First, we're behind on the scorecards. Second, the left cheek is not looking so...
Here comes round number 3. And now he airmails him a right-handed haymaker. It causes him to back up. Sweeping uppercut looks to send him flying. Sandman's losing a disturbing amount of blood from his left eye. Bang, and that haymaker rocked him down low. He missed by Bam Bam. I like the way he's making him miss. Sandman's hurt. His legs are losing stability, and I'm not sure if he'll last this round. He goes down. He goes down. Can he get up after being dropped like that? Let's see that knockdown from another angle. How great display by Bam Bam.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We've come to the end of the round. Bam Bam couldn't have done much better that go-round. Let's take another look at the round. It's pretty obvious who won on the scorecards.
Don't miss the swelling on the great round. Great round. Keep that up and you will be victorious tonight. Do not let up on his left eye, son. The more you connect, the more damage. You must relax and focus for a second. Shake it up, son. We will get the next round if you remember your training. I'm trying to help you. The more shots you take to the left side of your head, the more damage you will occur. You're ready.
Here we go with the fourth round of what's been a great fight thus far. What a shocking haymaker to rip him down low. He's receiving a warning from the referee, but should be more concerned with his inability to defend himself. Oh, he's headed for the canvas. Now that damaging haymaker put him in his place. Check out this footage. Oh my, he's gonna feel that one in the morning.
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, we're all done with this round. Bam Bam with a spectacular showing. He owned that last round. Let's take another look how he did it.
Great work out there, son. Keep on his left eye, son. The ref looks ready to stop the... We're still in this fight. Take a breath and do not worry about the last round. Son, I really need you to listen. If you cannot protect your left eye, there's a chance...
Here we go with round number 5. Wow, that piercing haymaker worked his body hard. Excellent move and a nice follow-up by Sandman. He turned his body weight into that one. Sandman's cracked hard. He's forced back from that overpowering haymaker. Oh, he looks ready to go. You can see he's hurt now. Wow, that haymaker penetrates right through him, sends him crashing down. The Sandman's not going to like this replay. Just look at that brutal shot he took.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
If he can keep that kind of aggression and accuracy going, this won't be the only easy round of the night for Bam Bam. This round is over.
I need you to take a good, deep breath. Okay. You completely control that round. I need you to start things off with some power shots. Follow that up with an attack from the outside. Just when he thinks he has you figured out, Okay. Get some air. We did not win that last round, but we're not done yet. Not by a long shot. Do not allow him to get set up. Use your speed, son, and connect when he has no chance of defending. Remember—
Here we go with the 6th round of this contest. The Sandman's got to realize he's in real trouble now. The ref only threatens to stop the fight when he sees one fighter is in a severe amount of danger. Huge haymaker finds its home and nearly tears his opponent's head off. Feints and lands a hard shot. The crowd jumps. Oh, that haymaker took him to the floor. The Sandman's not going to like this replay. Just look at that brutal shot he took.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's over.
Bam Bam's thrilled the crowd with his dominant